What's going on, guys? We're just going to show our motorbike a little bit more love today. Since I keep it outside, we're just going to treat it with some HCB1 and we're just going to protect elements of the bike from rust and corrosion. Now, let me show you what my situation looks like. As you can see, I leave my motorcycle outside. I actually have no garage to put it in to help protect it from the elements. So this is, going to protect it from all the rain that happened last night. Look at all that water coming off. Everyone should have a motorcycle cover as well, where it's got like a felt. It's got like felt on the inside, just to help protect the bike from getting scratched. The beautiful thing with this cover, it's got a latch here where you can clip it. Stops it from blowing off on the super windy days. Because I leave it outside and I live near the beach, there are areas here which are starting to corrode or starting to rust. So as well, I don't know if you guys can see this one here, but that's got its fair share of rust on it. Anywhere in the bike that I think is going to rust, I'm going to spray with the anti-corrosion, the HCB one that Muck-Off have. Should be alright. Just inspecting the bike, see if there's any more. Yeah, these washers, really prone to rusting. This one's rusted on the back. Give this a little bit of a spray and maybe spray it on a bit of the frame. So that you can spray it everywhere on the bike. So I'm only going to spray the HCB one on exposed areas that are prone to rusting. Since I live near the beach, there's a lot of salt in the air and it's going to make things corrode a lot quicker. So yeah, we're just going to see if this product works, and yeah, I'm not going to cover the whole bike in it. You can spray this on your exhaust. You can even spray it on your chain. It says you can spray it on your chain. However, I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to spray it on areas that have already rusted, try and restore the health of the bike that little bit more. Now Muck-Off, they use a dye in most of their products, so you can see where it's been hit. I'm just going to go over the bike now with the microfiber cloth and get rid of all the excess. As you can see, there's some areas that are purple. So just going to wipe it off. Wipe off these areas. I finished spraying the bike and wiping it down with the microfiber, and it's really that simple. Yeah, I just got this product just because my bike is always outside. Even though I've got a cover on it, it's still prone to, you know, rust and corrosion. So Markov's HCB1 gives you apparently up to 1 year of protection on your bike. Now, you can spray it everywhere on your bike. I only chose to spray it on the exposed metal that's really prone to rust. This can should last you forever. And yeah, I'm just gonna leave it 24 hours to kind of set and bond to the metal, and then yeah, I can just take it out riding whenever, and I can have a bit of more peace of mind that my bike is actually going to stay healthy, and it's going to, all the parts on it are going to last a lot longer. So yeah, hope you like that one, guys. Just a short one for today. So make sure you take care of the bike and take care of you. Catch you in the next one.